Hi, welcome back. After 2 months of being hunched over a desk for an illustration gig, we are so back, and I'm back on my arts and crafts bullshit. So today we're tackling one from the pile of shame, which is a very cool Judge Dredd helmet based on Judge Dredd from the comic Judge Dredd. There was also a movie called Judge Dredd, and there was one called Dredd. So this file was from Thingiverse. The link is down in the description below. Quite a smooth print, and I just had to get to work with sanding it down and priming it.
So having already primed and sanded once, I gave it one more coat of the thick filler primer, which is usually meant for automobiles, but it is wonderful on 3D prints. This should ideally be the final coat. One more round of sanding, maybe a little bit of filler. I think we'll be good to go. So with the filler added in the small areas that needed it, I gave it one last final round of sanding. Don't sand out the window. That's massively irresponsible. You're going to get sawdust. Well, not sawdust. Plastic dust, even more dangerous. All over your lovely home. So don't do that. Only an idiot would do that. And I am that idiot. But once that was done, it was ready for a nice prime in black. I've been luckily blessed with very dry weather, which is great for sanding and spraying. And mowing your lawn, but I'll get around to that. So that all primed, it is ready for the paint. Sorry about the mess of the desk. But I did start off with this metallic red, which I used on the Magneto helmet, and it looked great, but I don't know, it just looked a little bit too bright here. So later on, I will replace it with a darker red. But mixing my usual Space Marine blue with some black, I set about painting the bulk of the helmet a nice dark blue. I know it's technically black in the comics, but looking at some of the action figures for reference, they put it out as blue. Because obviously, I used to do that back in the comics days, so it didn't look muddy as fuck, and blue was kind of a stand-in for a reflective black. Anyway, I then crack out the gold and set about doing the little badge on the front of his forehead. It's probably going to need an extra coat or two, but while that dries, the next step is adding a little bit of Vavavoom to the red. So using a brighter shade of red, the Mephiston red from Citadel, I took a makeup sponge and started dabbing that on all the edges of the red areas, just to give it a little complexity. And hopefully give the whole feel a nice comic book toyetic vibrancy, compared to some of the hyper-real ones which I've seen online, which are great, but it's already been done, and better than I'm probably capable of, so let's do it this way for a change. So the second coat of gold added, I then cracked out the Macarena blue, slightly lighter than the blue that's already on there, just to dabble the edges like I did with the red. Give everything a little bit of pop before it is ready for the varnish. I do want to build up some more layers of varnish, but it did then start raining. Ideally it should be nice and glossy. Again, like a toy, very colourful, very comic booky. But other than that, it is done.
And here we go. The visor needs replacing. I stole this from The Mandalorian, from TV's The Mandalorian. Then that's going to take a while to come because it's coming from China. But once it's attached, I can call it fully finished. But this looks fine on camera. There we go. But yeah, I'm super happy with how this turned out. It actually fits nicely for a change. I'm getting a little bit better at that. That probably needs to be a bit higher, doesn't it? But we'll work it out when the proper one arrives. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's about right. There we go. Hi, I'm Judge Dredd from the comic book series Judge Dredd. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. There's been a nice little spike in channel activity recently, which is really good. Maybe I'm finally getting out of small channel hell. But we shall see. Either way, we're having fun. Blimey. Thank you so much for watching. If you could like and subscribe and help this little channel grow, I would be so grateful. And I will see you this time next week for a whole new other video, because we don't stop.